Well, hello everyone. Good morning. Happy Monday to you. At the time that you are hearing about this, I am going to be getting ready to take a little vacay. I'm actually taking my couple of my kids and 5 grandkids. We are all doing a big fun family grandkid centered trip. We're going to be going to Disney World in Florida. So I'm looking forward to some warm weather, and B, super excited about taking a week off and just spending it with my family. And I think those moments, like we make those kinds of memories, they're so important, especially for the kids. And I just can't wait to go do that. So I'm super excited about that. But I wanted to talk to you about another type of exciting thing, and that is, how do you create that kind of excitement in your practice? How do you do that? Well, you're not going to take your patients on a vacation, obviously, but how can you create this type of like, hey, this is so cool, check out what's coming up? Like for me, with the time that you get this, I'm leaving tomorrow. So we're flying to Florida, going to be there a week and then flying home. And I'm just like so excited about this. So how can you create that kind of excitement in your practice? Well, one of the ways you can do that is by displaying product. You can talk about like the new product that we have on the standard process side anyway. This is called GI Adsorb. And so it's working remarkably well. So that's one way that you can do it, is create a little display. The other way you can do it is do something like the little stacked Russian dolls, and put like a gift certificate or something inside for anyone who opens it up. Or do a sample, a tasting of like salt, refined salt, and then Celtic sea salt, something new, something exciting all the time. The other thing I really love to do is, if you feed people, you win them over. They say that you feed a man and you've won his heart. I think it's true with patients too. And it doesn't have to be anything super extensive or really involved. It can just be a very simple, oh, my hair, craziness. It could be just a super simple thing that you feed. Like maybe you're making some smoothies and you want to sample them, or it's cold where you live and you want to make some like lentil soup and give it out, or just some nice bone broth. Maybe you get in some bone broth, make the bone broth, let your office smell really good. And when patients come in, they're like, oh my gosh, what is that? Make some chicken soup. Give out chicken soup. Let them sample it when they come in for their appointment. Let them try the chicken soup. Those are ways that you can get people talking about your office, getting excited with you. I have one practitioner that I know that every Friday was their food Friday. And every Friday, they had their staff all in on it. They planned out their food for the month, and the staff all kind of got together. It was him and then 2 other staff people. They got together and they said, okay, what kind of things do we want to have on Food Friday? And the patients loved it, and everybody couldn't wait to have an appointment on Friday. Their Fridays were booked out for months because they did something super fun and exciting on that Friday. So what is it that you can do that'll build a little excitement in your practice? Get patients talking about you, talking about what you do. Might be that you have a contest on a board. Maybe you play bingo. Maybe make a bingo card. You can go online and make bingo cards all day long. Give every patient a bingo card. And as soon as you fill it out, you get a $25 gift card. I guess you can't do that with a patient, but I can do that in my world. But you want to do something like, maybe it's a free adjustment, or maybe it's a massage, a discounted massage. You give them $25 off a massage or something. But people love that stuff. So I think that one of the ways you can really build your practice and just get people talking about you is by thinking outside the box and doing a few creative things to create excitement. I hope this helps you. Take care. I'm off to Florida. I'll see you next week.